Hey there, my name is Anup and today we are going to learn how to log in into a WordPress website. So let's get started. So you have to open your website like this and you have to go in the address bar. Then you have to put a / then write wp admin or wp login.php. Otherwise you can easily remember wp admin, then press enter. After pressing enter, you will get a screen like this where you have to put your username or email ID or a password that will be provided by your development team or our team. Then you have to enter and then press login. Like in my case, I am writing anup@nexgi.com as my email address and as some random password, and then I'll press on login. After some processing, you will get a dashboard like this. So after login, if you want to see your website again, then you can just place your mouse on your store name. You'll get two options. One is visit your website. If your website is e-commerce based, so you will get another option of view store. So when click on visit website, you will be able to see your website. So this is how you can log in simply into a WordPress website. Thank you. See you in the next video.